What's going on, guys? I'm Freddy Gomez. Welcome back to Darkcried Plays Final Fantasy Phase 3. I'm on night 3, and let's begin.
Hello.
Oh, there you are.
For today's lesson, we will be continuing our training on proper
So it's always at Camp 7 as far as I know.
Using an animatronic as a suit, please ensure that the animatronic parts are tightly compressed and fastened by the spring lock located around the inside of the suit. It may take a few moments to position your head and torso between these parts in a manner where you can move and speak. Try not to nudge or press against any of the spring locks inside the suit. Do not touch the spring locks at any time. Do not breathe on the spring locks, as moisture may loosen them and cause them to break loose. In the case that the spring locks come loose while you are wearing a suit, please try to maneuver away from populated areas before bleeding out. That's not really the customer experience. As always, if there is ever an emergency, please go to the designated space.
It's much difficult.
Every location is built with one extra room that is not included in the digital map layouts programmed into the animatronics or security system. This room is hidden to customers, invisible to animatronics, and is always off camera. As always, remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Chica.
There you are. Well, Freddy's coming. Uh-oh.
Hi.
Where are you? Okay, there you are. Crap!
Hello.
Oh no! Chica, you bitch! I was doing so well. Oh man! Damn it, Chica. So close. This is all Chica's fault. Man. Oh well. This sucks. He's behind the wall, I know. He's gonna get me eventually. Oh, Freddy! Oh well. I'm screwed. Yep, knew it. Okay. Looks like I'm doing that second time. Okay, let's begin. Alright. What the hell? You're already there!
Hello.
Let's keep it at camera 9 now.
Hello. Hi.
Yep. His eyeball's literally right there. Uh-oh.
Hi.
Yeah. Stay there.
Hello.
I did not expect Chica or Freddy to come so soon. I knew Chica but not Freddy. I tried to avoid Freddy's jump scare, but oh well. I did not expect Chica at all. Sorta. It's like out of nowhere. Lucky I dodged Balloon Boys. Thank God I was fast, but I didn't expect Chica. I saw Freddy coming, but somehow he came a second time. Yeah. Nope.
Hi.
Okay. Oh, you! Damn it! Oh, he's right there too! Damn it, nope. You gotta try another time. It's getting a lot difficult. I saw him. Yep. Okay, one more. I'm gonna try a few more times. I mean, I'm too stubborn. This is not like Final Fantasy 2. Never expect to be that difficult. Okay, where are you? Okay, you're right there.
Hi.
Oh, damn, I did not expect you to come over there so quickly. Nope.
Hi.
Damn it. Ah,
Hi.
it's straight up more difficult.
Hi.
There's Freddy. There you are, I knew it. Stay right there. Oh crap.
Hello.
Oh no. Yeah. Okay, you still there. Thank God.
Hi.
Ah. No!
Hi.
I hate you, Balloon Boy. Where'd he go? Oh, come on!
Hi.
No, you! Damn it! This sucks so much. I know he's gonna jump scare me, I know it. Knew it. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. Here you go. Yeah! Uh-oh.
Hi.
Freddy. He's still in there. He's still in there. Okay. Nope.
Hello.
There you go. Do it. Nope.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, come on! Yeah! Took some time, but yes! Keep on my camera 9 now. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Move to the right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm here to save a child. There you go. Happy birthday. I love you. I will free all of you. Whew. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Who liked it? New Darkcried plays every Saturday, and get you next week. So, bye.
I hope you die in the fire.